The food ventures of Soai are powered by our patrons. To become a patron, click the patron link in the description box. Thanks, patrons, for helping to write Soai. Welcome back to Stuck on an Island. I'm stuck with you guys and we're always smiling. So you guys know Jilly and I currently are at the Country Hotel all the way out in the grill. It is, time of the no movement, stuff like that. So we're at the hotel. There's no food at the moment because the restaurant is closed. So you guys saw the previous videos where we got these fresh lobsters and we are about to cook them up. You know, we had them cut up and everything, cleaned it out, gutted and all that stuff on the beach. So we're gonna cook them up tonight. Pretty easy dish here because we're just gonna do, funny enough, we're gonna do basically the exact same thing of what we had all the way out on Boobikie. And if you guys caught that adventure, that was epic. So we're gonna be doing that right here, right now. So that's gonna be the vibe. Jilly's over there sorting out the fire right now, and let's get this video started. I hope you guys like the backdrop because that is where the bar is and the restaurant is somewhere back there. It's gonna be a vibe. It's a full moon out right now. It's calm, it's beautiful. I'm so excited. On the bed of fire. You see the mosquito?
No.
Alright, so fire started real big there. So what we're gonna do now is to clear out this pond and we still have some ashes in there from the last one. Alright, so I was just saying to Jilly just now that, Jamaica is just a beautiful place, and once you try your best to find different little experiences to experience, bruh, it just gets way better. A lot of times persons who just come to a hotel, eat the food, stuff like that, but just being out here, it's a full moon like I mentioned before. I could still see the ocean somewhat, and instead of just being in a hotel room watching TV, you don't have to be cooking like I'm doing because that's kind of wild. But you could just be just out here having some drinks and just relax. But if you want to do some cooking, you can definitely do that. Just a quick point out, everything that we're doing out here is being very considerate of a lot of stuff. So even the video previously, we made sure that we were away from guests or anything like that, even though you're not really getting smoke. They're probably just getting a little bit bothered by the awesome smells of the food. But apart from that, we try to make sure we don't leave any coals or anything like that. Everything is done on the grill and everything is caught up, cleaned up, and tossed away appropriately. So yeah. How are you feeling though, like just being out here at the moment?
It's nice and very clear. I'm surprised that we can actually see the ocean because last night it was so dark. I feel relaxed and not a lot of mosquitoes out here either.
Man, we have on bug repellent.
What's up?
Cause I know they're all here. Yeah.
Oh.
But apart from that, like, what is the vibe? Like, have you ever done anything like this before? Or
Stephen, have I ever done anything like this before? You answer that question. How many people can say that they have cooked on a beach in the night? Is that normal behavior? Like, seriously, is this normal behavior? We just come to a hotel. Hey, there's a beach. Let's just cook. Get some coal. No, I don't think there are many people who can actually say that they've ever done this before, and I don't think that if we never met, I'd ever have done this in my life. But it's interesting and it's nice. It's different. So it's a different experience. It's like a different world. These kind of experiences kind of really nice. Kind of hungry now still. And waiting patiently for my dinner. But I know I'm going to probably have to go to 200 squats after I eat this.
vibes? Alright, so this fire has gone supernova. because. So of course, right now this is super hot, so I'm gonna cover it down and let the coals die down. All right. So I get ready to fry up the breadfruit and plantains, and first, well, it's a real Jamaican things, like a tourist though.
Dryland tourists.
Dry land tourist, you know what I mean?
That's okay. That's okay. Nothing wrong with being a
It's just so
dryland
funny. Yeah, we saw that comment. Someone says like something about dry land tourists. I was like,
Dryland
okay,
tourists, and we are proud.
trust me,
That's how you Jamaicans should try it.
trust me, nothing.
Explore your country. and be a
Explore
dryland
Jamaica,
tourist.
straight up. Even though we've been to several other countries, but that's okay.
Everybody have a way of cooking plantain.
You know, it's funny that you mentioned that. So, so
How do you guys cut your plantains?
yeah, drop that in the
Drop it in the
comments.
comment
That's very
section,
important. So
because, yeah.
the other day, Kian and I was talking. He was saying how his aunt used to reprimand him about plantains because there's a special way that she wanted them to be cut out of her.
This is how I think
This way?
plantain should be cut.
That's
Some people
the
cut it circular, but we don't like that cut.
that's the way that his aunt never liked it to be cut.
Sorry,
A lo-
auntie.
Yeah, but I don't care. Honestly, don't care. For me, I don't mind these. Once they're uniform, it's fine to me. When I was a kid, I used to cut them a lot more circular because I thought I'd get more from my bread. It's weird, even though it's the same with the plantain. Yeah, that's the vibe. Yeah, so back to that topic about being a dryland tourist or whatever the case is. Jamaica is one of those countries that I know a lot of people want to come to. You get me when I say? I know that wherever we live, which is Jamaica, is where everybody else wants to vacate. And I always say to people all the time, instead of venturing off to other countries where it costs you a plane ticket to get there, you have to find room and board, possibly getting food and stuff like that. You can venture out in your country first. You don't have to travel the entirety of Jamaica, but it could just be one parish that fascinates you. And even though I'm here talking, I hope you're watching them
Yeah,
plans
man,
because
watch 'em,
trust me,
man.
they will burn fast.
Turn me back and you say put them bun.
Isn't
My
it
father
so?
we used to say you have to dance a yard before you can dance abroad. So
That's a fact.
travel in Jamaica. Travel a yard before you decide to travel abroad. I mean, if you can afford to, that's
Go
all
for
good and
it.
great, but there are so many things to do and see here in Jamaica. Trust me, that won't
Yeah.
break the bank.
A lot of
Yeah.
stuff. A lot of stuff.
Don't be shy to try new things.
Martin just smells so seductive. Yeah. Oh yeah, those are coming out good.
Real nice.
I can just smell the crispy edges already. You want breadfruit? Just tell me if you want breadfruit. Roadside fry. So this breadfruit, we got this. Where are you guys again? In Red Hills Road?
Yeah, it is price mark.
Just off Red Hills Road. You can just link up the breadfruit man them. So we got this roasted already. And all we gotta do is fry it. Mmm, crispy.
Smell goodie?
Smells so good. It's just a simple life. I think the next time we probably can try to get like a bigger room and carry piano and downstairs.
Yeah.
So the four of us can just come on here and chill. Because I actually really like it here. I really like it here. I think because of how thin you cut these, it's going to be like breadfruit chips.
You don't like them too?
I like,
I like them.
for myself, I like when the outside is crispy, but there is still breadfruit, there's still roasted inside, so it's kind of like soft. But, here or there. Definitely don't need to over fry these because it's already cooked. It's been roasted, so. Oh, you step back so far like say you're run from something. You run.
Okay, I have one burn, you don't want no more.
Run. Yeah. Alright. Alright, this is a little bit high. I'm gonna try to separate some of them cola really quick because it's well hot. Close off the vents. And then now we can start working on our sauce. So what we have in here, we have some anchor butter. So whatever pure dairy butter you can have, I'm not talking margarine or anything like that. It's gonna give you good flavor. There's a little bit of water, and then we have the garlic, thyme, scallion, stuff like that is in there, and scotch bonnet pepper. So um, we're just gonna let that melt. The pan will actually oiled so that we don't burn it so bad. And thing. This thing is so hot. I'm gonna add a bit more water so we don't burn our seasonings. Oh, this is gonna be rich. Can you smell it? No? You smell it? Yeah, so what I basically done is let the water, most of the water reduce, and I'm gonna let all of it, probably like at least 60% of the water reduce. And then I'm just going to have this to throw on top of the lobster. We're not gonna add any seasonings, I would think, apart from no powder seasoning at the moment. I think this should be sufficient. Keep the lobster flavor pure, and you know, add some nice little Caribbean zest to it. Want to try it now? The last time you tried it was little more water consistency. Water content, sorry. Nice. Awesome. All right, so we got our lobsters here. No seasonings on it right now. Yo, this heat is Intense. Jaja, yes, we want everybody done one time. You know, everybody go do one time though. No, I'm over here, come to meet a stick. No, I'm just looking. Alright, we can see like around the edges getting that red color. So I'm gonna start flipping these right now. Smells so good without any seasoning on it. Can you see the piece? How it is?
Salt of it, you know?
No?
Oh my god, taste it. Taste it.
Yeah, good.
I'm sure you put salt in some of it.
No. Remember I salt water them come from, brother? Salt water in the yard. So we got the butter. She's gonna toss it back on the belly later on too. Or I can just cover it down, right?
The steam just.
Yeah, steam cook it too.
It was like little sticking around it, you know?
Oh my gosh.
Can't wait to eat. Let me not eat all day. Sweet.
Really?
What?
I don't know, like, for the life of me, it don't matter how many times people go, oh, you know, the food tastes good or whatever. It's just always surprising to me. It's just like, in a good way. Good kind of surprising.
Buttery and just.
Thank you. Hmm? Oh my gosh. So we got the butter and all them nice seasonings on it. And I'm just gonna cover it down a bit. And let that heat and some of that smokiness get in. Beans. You just look so infused.
I am. I've tasted a little piece. It was so good. Actually, it tasted like it had like seasoning on it and everything on it.
Nothing on it.
Buttery. It actually was a little bit salty, sweet, savory. It had all those. I don't know. I don't know, man.
Oh yeah. Those look really good. Those look really good. What do you think? Drop a little char on it or keep it the same way? What do you think though? I think it's just fine.
I wouldn't turn them. I just don't want them to
Lose any of that butter.
and then meat go waste and all these
Yeah.
things.
The reason why I haven't I never want it to burn because you know it's lobster, I don't want to take too long. And what else? The sticking was sticking to the thing, so
It's such a small grill. It's space.
yeah, the
It's
space.
not fighting on it,
Yeah, but these look
but good.
these look amazing. They smell really good. They smell really good. Jeez.
It's very nice.
Yeah, come on, nice. Jaja. So flavorful. Look. You said if you did ever think you could drop in this, so nice, sweet, you know. Oh God. You said we just want to go under the sea and be their friend. Oh my God.
Is lobster an aphrodisiac? Kind of weird. I meet them every feel a while ago.
Right?
I was planting on the breadfruit.
Oh my God. Well, if I'm gonna be honest, we're just gonna eat this food, and we'll tell you what it's like after. If you guys want to, try this at home, definitely do. But I want to enjoy this moment and just wait. Try to hide this from me? That's a joke. So good. Anyway, I'll tell you guys what I think.
Lobster meat is so buttery, sweet. And guess what, guys? There's no powdered seasoning at all on it. There's no salt. Not at all. Trust me, it is. Right.
What I like that the meat just pops right out. Look at that. Right out. Anyway, back to regular programming. Alright guys, so we have gotten back in. Amazing day. I'm just so happy that we're able to do those dishes for you guys, and maybe someday you guys can try some experience like this or whatever the case is. But we're super tired, we're super beat, so don't know the things that already. We are going to head off to bed. And yo, shout out to everybody who drops a like on the video, who drops a comment, who says something really cool. We definitely appreciate you. Remember to see things, love, nature, and adaptation. And always remember, keep the link.